Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Miro. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and databases, offering a highly customizable environment for structured information. Miro, on the other hand, is a dynamic online whiteboard designed for visual collaboration, brainstorming, and real-time ideation. While both can assist with project management, their core strengths lie in different domains, catering to distinct team needs and workflows. Notion excels with its powerful database features, allowing you to build custom workflows and manage complex projects with ease. It provides flexible page layouts and integrated task management. Miro offers an infinite canvas, a vast library of templates, and tools like sticky notes and drawing. It's perfect for visual thinkers and teams needing to map out ideas collaboratively in real time, fostering creativity and dynamic discussions. When it comes to collaboration, Notion facilitates shared workspaces, team wikis, and collaborative document editing, making it ideal for maintaining a centralized knowledge base. Miro shines in live, interactive sessions, supporting brainstorming, workshops, and agile ceremonies with its real-time cursor tracking and voting features. Notion is best for structured project tracking, while Miro is perfect for dynamic, creative ideation and visual problem-solving sessions. Both platforms offer compelling free plans, allowing individuals and small teams to get started without immediate cost. For more advanced features and larger teams, Notion's paid plans typically begin around $8 to $10 per user per month. Miro's paid tiers are similarly priced, often starting at about $8 to $10 per user per month. Both integrate seamlessly with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, enhancing their utility within existing workflows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.